Alright, so I just giving you a quick update, right? I run through the whole system and notice there's a lot of errors. So as you can see, this whole center here full up of oil. All them injector holes and them clogged with carbon buildup. If you watch the injectors, they all full of carbon buildup. We have a problem on number 4 and number 2. Have a problem on it. All the rest good because number 2 injector completely dry while oil wet. You see these seals and them burst on the injector, so we're changing out all them seals, clean out all the injector ports and them. This leak here I feel is the tappet pan cover gasket gone. As you can see, the spark plugs, you see number 1 and 2 looking real white compared to 3 and 4, but we'll get to that. You can see the jar and on it to do some work on. So yeah, we're looking at maybe where we consider a full service then, but with all the throttle body. So it's EGR valve pipe, the valve cover gasket, injectors, injector seals, and I'll check the airflow and see what is going on there as well. But here's it here. Here's all the more like the air problems here. I don't think I need to do a compression test. I don't think nothing was wrong with the engine. It's just a matter of service was the problem, and the hesitating and shaking up plenty was this here. Somebody put back on the intake and the seal was dropping quite on the outside of the EGR.